Restorex Disaster Restoration is one of the largest content restoration facilities in Saskatchewan. Our experienced contents restoration specialists have restored millions of dollars worth of contents using state-of-the-art technologies and systems. Restorex Disaster Restoration has a fully integrated contents restoration division that uses state-of-the-art restoration systems and technologies. The Sporta Wash system is more than just a washing machine. It is an innovative washing system using a patented system of hydraulic pressure cleaning combined with a specific blend of detergents to effectively disinfect soft contents, personal protective gear, and all types of sports equipment. Ultrasonics uses ultrasonic technology to clean hard surface goods. This is a revolutionary assembly line cleaning process that significantly increases the productivity of any contents restoration professional. Using precision ultrasonic technology, the Restoration Pro system improves quality and reduces small contents cash-outs. Odell Electronics Cleaning Station. Since modified water is a part of the manufacturing process of electronics, the most effective and proficient methods for cleaning them are water-based, moderate pressure, aqueous spray cleaning systems, and controlled drying chambers. We take pride in knowing that we have been able to return our clients' most valuable possessions to pre-loss conditions. As a new mom, my children's safety is of the utmost importance. I know I could confidently accept back contents that have been restored from Restorex and allow my children to play with them without any hesitation. At Restorex, we are a team of families helping families.